Welcome to RGV Photography Workshops, Catrina Gallery Show, and graduation. The Catrina is the school mascot. Each year, every photography student in the advanced class produces their own version or their own interpretation of the Catrina.
Mi experiencia aquí puedo decir que ha sido muy bonita. Recomiendo mucho la escuela, espero que algún día vengan, la visiten y tengan esta misma experiencia que yo y aprendan demasiado.
They hire their own makeup artist, get their own costuming for their model, figure out the lighting that they want, design their sets. They produce a professional, well-done Catrina portrait.
Cuatro horas de modelaje, 4 horas de estar posando la misma pose una y otra vez, pero fue una experiencia única y fue un placer ser modelo para el estudio.
Le doy las gracias por la oportunidad de la escuela de tener el estudio avanzado. Gracias a todo el grupo, gracias por estar con nosotros y gracias por compartir y ser mi querida modelo.
And during the gallery show, we also have a graduation ceremony for the advanced students. So it's a really nice send-off for them to show and showcase the work they've done as well as the development they've had as a photographer. I'm really proud of you guys. Thank you for being a part of the program and the school. Good luck.